Whether you've got a big yard, a small yard, or even no yard, here's a few ingenious garden decoration ideas to liven things up. Here we have listed top 20 garden decoration ideas. Let's start. At number 20 we have listed solar lights for garden decoration ideas. A fun, sustainable and beautiful way to make light, this solar hanging lanterns is ideal for garden lighting, decorating your courtyard, lawn, table and all other outdoor and indoor pursuits that would benefit from beautiful lighting to create a wonderful and relaxed atmosphere. Decorative solar garden lamp, the built-in solar panels convert sunlight into electricity. The rechargeable battery stores the energy and converts the power into light for use during the night. At number 19 we have listed waterproof LED solar step deck lights for garden. The Shengsite 7 color changing options, shell-shaped solar wall lights give you a colorful mood coming back home. The solar lights outdoor will add a touch of decoration to your deck, fences, steps, walls, gardens and other places. The LED fence lights offer two illumination modes that provide a variety of lighting options for landscape design. The Upgrade 2 installations allow the solar lights to be installed in different places, avoiding your decorative troubles. This will be the best choice for your garden decoration. 1. Keep the solar panel clean. 2. Install the solar product in an area where it can get direct sunlight. 3. Select an outdoor location away from other light sources at night, such as street lights. It may cause the LED deck light not to turn on automatically at night. The LED deck lights have two modes, warm white, color changing. The warm white mode is suitable for daily lighting. The color changing mode prefers for holiday decorations, such as outdoor parties, Christmas decorations, etc. You can push the switch button to change mode. At number 18 we have listed 5-tier outdoor water fountain best garden decor. The combination of modern design and natural elements provides the perfect decoration for your courtyard. The sound of running water and the real gray stone tower create a wonderful and comfortable ambiance, making you feel like being in nature. Made from sturdy polyresin material, this fountain is lightweight and rust and weather resistant for longer lasting outdoor use. Polyether. At number 17 we have listed the solar snail figurine lights garden decoration ideas. Amazing color changing time, you just let it full charge, you can get all night long vivid hummingbird and rheumatic changing color light. And you don't worry about any problem, just only let we will give a fantastic wonderful after sales service. Romantic light decorate your garden at night. Glassy products, no fade, no shape change and waterproof. Glassy products, no fade, no shape change and waterproof. Lifelike hummingbird and color-changing light, light your garden, bedroom, party etc. And it is a really fantastic gift for your family or lover. At number 16 the best decorative stone for garden. Elevate your yard, walkway or garden with a gorgeous stone from Spoontiques. Whether you're honoring a lost loved one, or celebrating your favorite movie, Spoontiques has a stepping stone that showcases your personality. Garden stones make great housewarming gifts. Full of vibrant colors and eloquent messages, Spoontiques garden stones are just the thing to make your house a home. Celebrate spring with this lovely sunflower stepping stone from Spoontiques. Featuring bright butterflies, this vibrant piece of garden decor is perfect for any indoor or outdoor space in your home. Place your vibrant stepping stone in your garden or walkway. Your stone is made of durable resin and is meant to withstand outdoor elements. Resin prevents water damage and splitting. Spruce up your garden or walk with a happy garden stone from Spoontiques. At number 15 we have high decor for garden patio backyard deck home lawn. 3 spouted water jugs fountain are tipped to pour their contents into one another for a soothing, natural display. Rustic pillars in varied heights display the jugs. Experience the soothing sound of water transferring from one spouted jug to the next with this lovely fountain. Includes faux vine greenery, fountain water pump, and 9-foot cord. Plug-in fountain, easy to set up and use. At number 14 we have listed LED light cascading for garden, patio, backyard, deck, home, lawn. Bring both rustic style and the soothing sound of flowing water to your indoor and outdoor spaces with this stoneware finish floor fountain. Water flows from a jug at the top of the pedestal and down through 2 more bowls before ending in an urn at the base. 3 LED clusters glow from within the bowls and urn to add another layer of visual interest. The fountain is constructed of lightweight polyresin, which makes it easy to place indoors or out. A convenient power cord and pump are included. Simply add water, plug in and enjoy. Rustic, Southwest-style fountain with 4 levels of water. Includes built-in LED lights in the 3 water basins, illuminates the design at night. At number 13 we have positioned the Sorbus tricycle plant stand. Pedal your way into a beautiful garden with decorative flowers, plants, and assorted greenery. This adorable tricycle plant holder features classic Parisian style completed with 3 round baskets and scroll wheel details. At number 12 we have the 10-pack solar lights outdoor decorative. Nothing gives decor a facelift like the right lighting. It accents your home. At number 11 we have listed Crystal Suncatchers Dragonfly Pendant Garden Decor, beautiful and sparkling. Creates rainbow lovely light refraction all round the room. Crystal ornaments, great for weddings, parties, baby rooms, cars, plants, Christmas tree decorations, chandeliers, great idea for accents, ornaments, suncatchers, party decoration and Christmas tree hanging ornaments. At number 10 we have listed Crystal's Ball Prisms. Suncatcher Tree of Life hanging for home, garden. Crystal's ball sparkles so beautifully in the sun as a sun catcher for windows. These garden suncatchers for windows will create the most beautiful sunlight reflections. When sunlight shines in from different angles, suncatchers will reflect different rainbow effects. This suncatcher can be a gift for your kids, boys, girls, mother, father, friend, and family. At number 9 we have listed Black Cat Solar Hanging Portable Lantern Halloween Outdoor Landscape Lamp for Garden. The solar lantern designed by Simple Line with handle, with a detachable horrible cat head, lightweight and portable. At number 8 we have listed Custom Handprint Decor, Arts and Craft Kit for Kids. Little hands and paws don't stay little forever, capture them in a way you can display and enjoy for years to come. This kit contains everything you need to create a custom handprint stone of yourself, a child, a grandchild, or even a pet. With its new and improved formula, it's never been easier to make your own personalized stone. Simply mix the plaster, fill the mold, and press your hand. Once the handprint sets, use the included paintbrush to decorate your stone with 5 vibrant paint colors, or mix to make your own. Write your name across your palm or memorialize it with the date, then put the stone on your wall to recall memories when someone was small. Creating handprint decor is a meaningful activity to do with a loved one, and results in a cherished piece of art. At number 7 the best bunny garden stone. Hop into a whole new world of creativity, paint, design, and display a one-of-a-kind bunny garden stone with creative roots. This set includes a ready-to-paint ceramic bunny, so you can skip the messy molding and get right to the fun. Paint colorful mosaic patterns on the bunny and discover the art of color mixing as you create magical hues, vibrant color schemes, and decorative accents that bring it to life. Display your garden stone on a shelf, in an indoor plant, or anywhere outside. Just be sure to apply an exterior varnish to protect it from the elements. This garden stone is for decorative purposes only. At number 6 we have LED solar lights outdoor for garden decor. Solar fence lights are completely powered by sunlight. The solar panel absorbs sunlight and saves it to the built-in rechargeable AA 600 meters battery. Charging it under sunlight 6 to 8 hours in the daytime will provide 10 to 12 hours of lighting at night. The solar deck light will turn on at night and turn off at dawn or in bright places. The solar lights outdoor are made of high temperature resistant, anti-corrosion, and IP54 waterproof ABS lamp body to ensure a longer service life. At number 5 we have listed the 2-tier barrel and pump waterfall fountain. Add some rustic charm to your home and outdoor decor with the Alpine Corporation 2-tier barrel and pump bronze fountain. Relax as you listen to the peaceful pour of water that cascades down as you enjoy a glass of lemonade on a warm, sunny afternoon. Full of rustic charm, this Alpine Corporation garden fountain will add a little bit of country ambiance to your indoor or outdoor decor. Water fountain measures 16 inches L by 18 inches W by 27 inches H, the perfect size for your yard. Alpine Corporation is one of America's leading designers, importers, and distributors of superior quality home and garden decor products. Alpine's award-winning in-house design team continuously develops new and innovative statements pieces for your home and garden. Your outdoor living spaces will be the envy of the neighborhood with our wide assortment of fresh, fashionable and contemporary products, from beautifully crafted solar garden stakes featuring patented motion and fiber optic lighting technology to gorgeous glass and glow-in-the-dark bird baths and feeders. Garden water fountain is the perfect addition to your outdoor decor, and has an interior pump that keeps the water flowing. Just plug it in. Water trickles from the pump spout into the barrel tiers, adding a peaceful ambiance to your outdoor setting. Realistic faux wood barrels and pump head design for an old-fashioned country feel. Plastic construction is rust and weather resistant to keep your outdoor fountain looking new over time, and has a 5L water capacity. Water fountain measures 16 inches L by 18 inches W by 27 inches H, the perfect size for your yard, and includes a 1-year manufacturer's warranty from date of purchase. At number 4 we have positioned the Grizzly Gulch Black Bears Garden Decor Fountain. The impressive Grizzly Gulch Black Bears Fountain is sure to be the crowning statement in your garden or on your patio. At number 3 we have listed the LED's Flickering Flame Lights Garden Decor. LED lamp beads create safe, realistic alternative flames, the best choice for garden, patio, yard, landscape, deck, umbrella, pathway, shelf, stairs, wall, porch, lawn, tent, tree, tabletop and more. Solar lights decorative. These solar lantern update LED chips, 99 LEDs, the unique realistic dancing flame design helps to create a fantastic and romantic ambiance. At number 2 we have positioned the HOOSUN Garden Flag Stand. Black metal 3-piece decorative garden flag pole frame screws together with ease and easy to storage. Our garden flag stand came with 2 spring stoppers and a tiger clip. The flag wasn't run away when the strong wind and heavy rain come. And at number 1 we listed the decorative stone for garden. Elevate your yard, walkway or garden with a gorgeous stone from Spoontiques. Whether you're honoring a lost loved one, or celebrating your favorite movie, Spoontiques has a stepping stone that showcases your personality. Garden stones make great housewarming gifts. Full of vibrant colors and eloquent messages, Spoontiques garden stones are just the thing to make your house a home. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And check the latest prices of mentioned products from links given in the description. We are highly grateful for your love and support.